This week we are joined by some family and friends as we explore the Fleurieu Peninsula. Our first stop is Rapid Bay. A Rapid Bay. How are you finding it, Eric?
Oh, it's just there. Found it easy.
Ha 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 ha.
How's the cave, Alex?
Smells like piss, it's full of broken glass and it's just a dark cave. It does stink.
Right. It's real unpleasant.
Oh, my back! I jagged myself on a rock.
You're enjoying your walk, Alex? Yes, Justin. I like walking.
Justin, I'm enjoying the walk.
It's very good.
It's a bit hot, but it's cool. Full waterfall, deep creek circuit.
So we're just coming up on Deep Creek where it exits into the ocean. And they say what goes down must come up.
She got let out for the day to come have fun. We let her out the ward.
What are you looking forward to when we get back, Alex?
Super duper.
How's the hat?
Fucking cool, hey? That was the end of our brief visit to the Fleurieu Peninsula. Join us next week when we take on South Australia's longest beach track. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, like and subscribe.